Good morning, everybody. Shane here from the Brookings Home Team, powered by Century 21. Monday morning, 8:15 on the dot.
Right.
No technical issues or anything this time. And this guy looks familiar. Yes, he was with us on Saturday during our open house. So we're getting some extra Andrew time here in the last couple days. So with that being said, it's going to be our Monday morning mortgage tip with Andrew here at Dacotah Bank. So we're going to jump right into it. But I guess before we jump into it, as you jump on here, guys, please let us know that you're on. Give us a heart, give us a like. If you do have any questions for us, throw it in the comments. We'll try to answer it, or we'll answer it on our next episode here. So with that being said, Andrew, take it away.
Thank you, Shane. So today we're going to talk about prepayment penalty. So a lot of times consumers are going to ask, is there a penalty to prepay? And usually the joke we make is if you win the lottery, there's no prepayment, you can pay us off. But the nice thing about it is consumer purpose real estate loans, you are secured in the fact that you're protected where there is no prepayment penalty. So you can always prepay ahead, and I strongly encourage it. So when we run examples, I printed this one off of bankrate.com. It's just an example, $120,000 mortgage at 4.5%. If you make an extra payment every year, so make 13 payments, and that's just principal and interest, it's going to reduce your loan down to 25 years and 9 months.
Wow.
So significant savings, about $16,000. Typically when I meet with a borrower, I say make an extra mortgage payment with taxes and insurance, your escrow, it's going to drop it down that much more even. So the one thing with this, let's say you get an inheritance or a large sum of cash, maybe a bonus at the end of the year, and you apply that towards your principal, it's going to reduce the interest that's accruing. So again, a great concept, but you can also contact your servicer. Here at Dacotah Bank, we're able to re-amortize that loan payment to reduce it, which is going to benefit you rather than having to refinance. So one thing I say is once you've built up that savings account, 6 months emergency savings, anything that you have extra, apply it towards your mortgage payment. It's going to save you on that long run. So the less interest you pay, the more money in your pocket to be able to use for improvements, vacations, whatever you want at that point.
When I have people ask me, I usually tell them, I've done the 30-year most of the time.
Yep.
Your payment is lower, but you can always make an extra amount, so round up to the nearest 100 if you can, and that also helps as well. And if you do have a slow month or something had some extra bills, then you don't have to worry about it. But if you do a 15-month, yes, or a 15-year, I'm sorry. If you do a 15-year, yes, you got higher payments, you're going to pay it off sooner, but you're locked into those.
Correct. You're locked in, especially holiday season. That's when a lot of times consumers call and they're like, hey, I wish I would have listened to you and done that 30-year. So yes, like Shane said, you can always prepay extra on that 30-year mortgage, especially with rates so competitive right now. Get in at that 30-year rate, but try and pay it off in 15. You're definitely going to appreciate that.
You bet. You bet. Good information. Thank you, Andrew, for that. And as always, if you have more questions for Andrew, you can feel free to reach out to him. Information on the top, on the bottom, on the sides, wherever your device allows you to see that. So feel free to talk to him. He'll be happy to answer any of those questions, sit down with you and see what you qualify for, and then come and talk to the Brookings Home Team. We're going to take you out and look at some awesome homes to see what we can fit you in there. So thank you again.
Yes, thank you, Shane.
That is today's, it's a beautiful day today, Monday morning mortgage tip. Let's hope that we get a bunch more of these. You guys have a great week, and we'll be back next week, or next Monday. Have a great week. See ya.